let's see how to answer this question on algebra as well as coordinate geometry. The length of the line segment joining the two intersection points of the curve y is equal to 4970 minus mod x and y is equal to x square is. Now points of intersection, then why don't I equate these? So which means at the point of intersection, y will be same. I can say x square is equal to 4970 minus mod x. Now to bring in similarity, I'll write x square as mod x square, doesn't matter, because if I apply a modulus and then a square, or if I apply a square, x square is always non-negative, plus mod x minus 4970 is equal to 0. Now, if I compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, I need to find two numbers. The sum must be equal to 1 and the product must be equal to 4970. So to factorize 4970, clearly 7 and 10 are factors. So I will write this as 10 into 497, 7 into 71. 71, I can't factorize further, but I see a clue here. So 70 into 71. And since I want the sum to be plus 1, what if I say 70 is minus? So fits the bill, minus 70 plus 71, minus 70 into 70. So I can factorize this as mod x minus 70 into mod x plus 71 is equal to 0, which means mod x is equal to 70 or x is equal to plus or minus 70. Whereas mod x is equal to minus 71, which cannot happen because mod x can never be negative. Now for these different values of x, let us find out what are the values for y. So I can say the points of intersection are x is equal to plus 70. Now y is equal to 70 square. And x is equal to minus 70. Y is equal to minus 70 square, which is 70 square itself. But I want the length of the line segment joining these 2 points, which is essentially the distance between these two. So the distance between these 2 points is square root of 70 minus of minus 70 whole square plus 70 square minus 70 square whole square. Now this though anyway is 0. Now 70 plus 70, 140 square under root becomes 140. Hence the length of the line segment asked is 140 meters or 140 units. Once you understand how to answer this question, we would like you to try the replica question that you see on the screen and post your answers in the comment section below.